here, and if you can't tell, I'm in a modded lobby. Yeah. It's really annoying. I think Bring the Pain is the modder. So let's see. Bring the Pain. I'm gonna say, do I get money? Money. Oh, cool, yay. So this is one of my accounts. Be sure to add this. And it's pure, P-U, capital P, lowercase u, capital R, 3 underscore 666, capital B, and then lowercase l, 00D. Yeah, so just be sure to add me. And I will add you back. So yeah. Just going through all my outfits. I think I like this one the most. He said don't put it in your bank. If you couldn't see that, I'm gonna say wow. Be sure to add my Facebook group, GTA 5 Mods and Meets. And once we hit 150 people in this group, we'll be be doing more stuff in CAP. So yeah, just be sure to do that. I already got 30 million. And yeah, guys, I do have more than one account, so I'll put those down in the description if you want to add them. Yeah, so yeah, I will be sure to start live streaming and all that crap. So yeah, comment down below what your favorite vehicle in the game is, like from PS4, any of them. Yeah.